Take a look at this sunflower standing so tall.
For my math project, I decided to do it on a sunflower garden me and my family were going to plant. And I was very surprised by how much math I actually had to do when planting the sunflowers. The first thing we had to do was calculate the area of the garden. The length was 16 feet and the width was 6 feet, so the area was 96 feet. We had to calculate how many rows of sunflowers we could fit because the rows had to be 2 feet apart. Since the width was 6 feet, we could fit 2 rows since 2 feet goes into 6 3 times. But in the end, we decided to just do 1 row of sunflowers because we needed 8 inches of soil and we had to buy the soil because we live on a rocky mountain. So we needed to find out how many bags of compost we needed. We needed the compost to be 4 inches deep or 0.33 feet. The formula for cubic feet is length times height times width. We calculated 16 feet times 6 feet times 0.33 feet, which is 31.68 cubic feet. Each bag was 1.3 cubic feet, so we divided 31.68 by 1.3 and got 24. So we needed 24 bags of compost. Each bag of compost was $6.50. So we paid 24 times 6.50, which is $156, which is still very expensive. The last step was to figure out how many sunflower seeds we needed. The length of the garden was 16 feet, and the seeds needed to be 3 inches apart. So 3 times 4 equals 12, and 16 times 4 equals 64. So we needed 64 sunflower seeds. So the sunflowers needed to be 2 feet apart, and how we would do that is after they sprouted, we would hit out the smallest ones until we had sunflowers about 2 feet apart. At the end of summer, we will probably have 8 mammoth sunflowers, and the rest of the garden we will plant herbs like basil and we will also plant some flowers there. This project was a very good example of how I can use math in the real world.
So I keep growing, and I guess I won't stop.
We do be dancing.
It's just
We
like
do be dancing.
hold on longer.
We do be dancing. Ooh.
Don't move them!
All right.
We haven't identified these yet, but whatever they are, they make little mud huts and they bury themselves in it. Isn't that cool? Where is it? There it is. Let's see. There we go. He is beautiful. Where is
He's
he?
a big boy.
Hold. There we go. Come to the camera.
So this is the snake.
Look at his eyes. That's how you tell if they're poisonous or not.
So we're not sure.
He's got round pupils. He's not poisonous or venomous. If they have diamond-shaped or like long, elongated pupils, they're venomous. If they have round pupils, they're not. I found that in a science museum. So he's not venomous.
All right. Well, we do need to relocate him anyway.
Got him. No, I don't. Never mind. He's gone. Can I pick him up?
On me, shows me the sky.